Morning guys, so Saturday we've hired this big crusher and we're going to try and crush all that stuff behind Natasha, and we'll hopefully, fingers crossed, we'll get it done today. Right guys, so this machine is a hell of a beast. It's the RED RHINO 4000. It's taken about 20 minutes, only because of our slow manoeuvring to fill up that ton bag. I'm pretty sure if we had a couple more people we could have done it in about 10 minutes. So this was about £290 a day to hire. It was £40 delivery and collection, and then there was a £50 fuel charge. So it cost us 390 quid-ish for the weekend. We've got 3 ton bags there, a ton bag full over there, so 4 tons down, and we're almost halfway through all the rubbish. As you can see, is all the old roof tiles, all the bricks are taken out the wall, concrete from down the side of the house, so there's lots and lots of stuff to crush up. I worked out roughly it'd probably be about 3 to 4 skips to get rid of it all, which would have been the best part of £1,000, and then I would have had to buy back in a good 8 ton, which I think they're about £40 a bag. You're talking 1,200–1,300 quid. That's cost us 400 quid and a day's labour. with 6 ton bags done. As you can see, we're probably just over halfway through all the muck. The plan is now, I put tarp down to stop any weeds growing up, and we're just going to crush loosely onto there, and hopefully all of that will fit in that space.
Right guys, so I don't know how much you can hear, but I've just come up here now. I'm going to start throwing down some of the tiles that we don't need, and then skip them.
Right guys, so that's the end of it for today. We've just poured all that loosely now. We've got 6 full ton bags. We got probably 2.5, maybe 3 ton bags worth of hardcore there. And we've just got a small section we got to finish off tomorrow. And once we finish that off, we're going to start breaking up the concrete slab inside and chucking it in the grinder.
It was the next day, and the first task was to move everything out of the old kitchen. By now, Rhys was really getting the hang of using this crusher, and he was able to move it all around the garden. I was outside putting everything in the crusher, while Rhys was inside breaking up the concrete from our kitchen so that it could be placed into the crusher and crushed. At this point, my hands were aching, my back was hurting, Rhys was also the same. So we asked Rhys's sister and partner to come over and see if they could help us through the last push. Please let us know in the comments below what you thought of today's video, and if you are going to hire one of these crushers or if you have in the past, and let us know what you thought. It was a long weekend, but I'm so glad that we did it, and now we have all this hardcore that can be used and go back inside the house.
So this is what it's looking like now, guys. Got 2 ton bags over there, we've got 5 ton bags there, we've got a ton bag there, and then we've got an absolute massive mound of hardcore that goes right back to the wall. So everything's cleaned up now, footpath clear, drive's clear, machine's going back in the morning, and we just need to top her up with fuel. Happy days.